Hey, how's it going? I'm Trey Murphy, the Digital Hustler, and today I'm going to show you how to use split tests in ClickFunnels. Hey, how's it going? Today's lesson is going to be pretty important because using split tests is an essential tool for all digital entrepreneurs and internet marketers. Now, it can get a little complex when there's so many options out there, different types of software, plugins for your WordPress, all of that. But the good thing is, if you already have a ClickFunnels subscription, split testing is already built into it. Let me show you how. All right. Now I'm in my ClickFunnels account and I'm using one of the templates that they used in the One Funnel Away challenge. And as you can see on this squeeze page, there is one landing page here. How one newbie baked $11,000 plus in 2 days with no prior knowledge. Now, this headline is decent, but if you really want to take the best advantage of the software, you have to create a split test. Split test allows you to see what works and what doesn't work. It could also give you an ability to find out what works and then possibly make it work even better. But the key to split testing is to only change one small thing. You only need a control and you need a variation. You shouldn't be trying to do split tests over 4 different things at the same time. It needs to be a 1-to-1 ratio and you only need to change one small thing. And when it comes to landing pages, that one small thing is actually a big thing. I strongly suggest that you start any split test with the headline. Let's jump in a little bit deeper. All right, so in ClickFunnels, you're given this button that says Create Variation. We're going to click this. Now it's going to give us 2 options. We can either create a duplicate page from the opt-in, which is pretty much going to be the exact same page that we have just previously used, or we can create one from a template. Now, if you're going to create one from a template, you want to be very careful and make sure that you record all of the copy that was on your previous landing page. Headline, subheadline, pictures, all that. And you want to make it almost identical, with the only difference being the background that you're going to use for the new template, or maybe a difference in the type of font that's being used or where it's being positioned. It's very crucial that you don't go around changing the headlines, subheadlines, and anything else if you're going to create a new landing page from a brand new template. Now, for this particular example, we're just going to create a duplicate page from the opt-in page. So click that here. All right, it has given us 2 variations. We are only going to use one. All right, so we're going to delete this variation. And now we only have one, but they are both identical. Now, as soon as this one gets done loading in, we'll be able to see it, and then we'll jump in and then we'll make the changes. As you can see, one says free video exposes, how one will be ranked, blah, blah, blah. They are exactly identical, but we are going to change this one, which is going to be the variation. So we're going to go in edit page. Now, what I said earlier still holds true. We're only going to change one thing, and that is going to be the headline. So instead of how one newbie baked 11,000 in 2 days with no prior knowledge, let's make it something small. Let's just change it to have you ever wanted to make $11,000 in 2 days with no prior knowledge? Let's say. Now, have you ever wanted to learn how to make $11,692 in 2 days with no prior knowledge? Seems like a pretty good, decent shakeup. All right, so we're going to save that. And then we're going to go out, hit exit. All right, we're almost there. Now, it's important that you move the slider because you want it to be a 50-50 split. This is important so that you have enough even data to make a well-informed decision. Now, You can't just get like 10 or 12 different leads off of this and then make your decision off of that. You need to get roughly around 250 to 400 leads in order to have enough data to make a solid decision. Those numbers vary depending on who you're talking to. A lot of people say the golden number is just 300 leads. But once you get 300 leads and you see which one is doing better, then you can declare one the winner and then start a whole new split test and start the process all over again. That's about it. Pretty simple, cut and dry. Now, if this information was useful to you, please hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment if there's something else you want to add. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. My name is Trey Murphy, and I'm the Digital Hustler. Talk to you later.